So excited. No, that was fake. Come on, YouTube. Get with the program. What is good, YouTube? It's Laney from Sneaker Clinic, and thank you for tuning in to this cleaning / restoration tutorial. My pair of Air Jordan 1s. Laney. So sad. It's cooked. This is so beat. This is the before. Oh, wow. This is the after. See how I freaking touched everything up? No, I was actually pretty stupid. I like to rock my shoes mismatched. So these I actually used for ball. Ugh. And these I was wearing it for cash. I mismatched it with another pair of Air Jordan 1s. I actually left this pair of shoe, this particular side, outside in the rain. And it was like raining for like 2 weeks and then baked in the sun. That is why the suede is all faded. This is nasty. I'm gonna have to restore this. We're actually going to clean my friend's pair. Air Jordan 1 Laneys as well. It seems like everyone just likes to beat up the Laneys. Ew. I think my pair is actually worse. Check out the bottoms. I don't want to show you the inside because there's actual sand in there. I don't know what my friend did to this pair of shoe, but I did actually remove one side of the insoles. Hold your breath. We're gonna have to do a deep clean inside and out, and that's exactly why I have this, because we're going to throw this pair of shoes in the laundry. Reshoevn8r's laundry cleaning system. Later on in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how we're going to restore the freaking suede. I have the blue suede. It's definitely going to be a lot darker. I actually told her already, hey, do you want me to actually do this? She's like, as long as it looks good and not mismatched, go ahead. Put this crap aside. By the way, you don't need to use Reshoevn8r's laundry bags because you can just put the shoe in. Wait, hold on. Oh. This is actually for, I got a bunch of cleaning cloths, shoe tree, all 3 Reshoevn8r brushes, got the medium here, I got the softy, where's my stiffy? Make sure you use a tool, pick out all the nasty dried freaking mud, rocks, pebbles on the bottom because you don't want that on the table as you're cleaning this. Holy moly, what the? Okay. What? Where did you go? Did you go to the beach? Got some water. I'm going to remove the laces because I feel like it. Don't be shy. Ooh, too close to the stinky insoles. Put those far away. Shoe tree inside. Let's cue the free YouTube music.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. sound right, boy.
Back from work to get my stiffy brushes. At the same time, I just let these shoes sit outside under the sun to let it air dry for like a whole day. And I did something else because I was working hard, kind of lazy, but doesn't matter. Now we're gonna clean the midsoles and the outsoles. I'm gonna show you a little trick, something that you should probably not do. Got a clean bowl of solution. Check this out. Dunk both of these brushes in there. Because I have a little bandage on my thumb, I was sucking it too hard. No, I cut myself with a very dull knife. I only have the right side of the glove, but I'm gonna be creative. Protect the bandage. Check this out. This is how you freaking multitask with both freaking hands. Start cleaning the outsoles. Yeah. All right. Do we need time lapse? No. Close enough. Good. All right, let's continue cleaning this because I really, really care about this frickin' Laneys. I can tell you right now, this stiffy brush isn't gonna do much. You're gonna have to hand detail this with the cloth. I'm gonna blame my friend for giving me elbow arthritis. It's kind of clean. Before we throw this into the wash, I need to enjoy my chocolate donut first. Where's my mic? This needs to be a ASMR for eating. Is that how people do it? Into the mic. Don't use this for the laundry. Oh my god, that's why they have this sneaker laundry detergent. Specifically designed. I'm kind of curious. I want to try this out, see what happens. No, I actually asked Reshoevn8r and they said, yeah, don't do that. Always use this for the laundry machine. I'm gonna put some cloths in the machine as well, along with the shoes for added protection. These are the bags, patented fancy stuff. Make sure you remove your existing shoe trees from the shoe. Replace it with Reshoevn8r's fancy shoe freaking trees, the plastic ones here. This side, I already put the shoe tree in there. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Take this like so. Put this inside. Alright. Make sure you adjust this. Alright, this is the wrong setting. Oh my god, Reshoevn8r. I actually asked them, like, why don't they just put freaking size indicators? We have to do guessing games every time. I'm gonna use 4. Stupid holes. Let's stick the metal thing in the stupid hole. Alright, let's put this crap in here. Make sure it's secured. You don't want this thing too tight, and you don't want this thing too loose. Okay. Cool. This is a little too tight. No biggie. We're gonna also throw the laces in there, as well as the insoles. I'm gonna grab one of this brand new bag, put this freaking shoe in there. This stinky freaking Laneys. Oh. Alright, put the other shoe in there. Okay, alright. Now, the middle one, I'm going, because this is actually a small shoe, holy moly. This is actually meant for bigger adult sizes. They have junior bags for this, but I don't have it. I don't care. I'm just going to secure the middle one. Make sure I lock this up like so. Click. Now, I do hate these because they do come loose, so I'm going to actually knot it up. All right, the tip tip. Yep. Voila. And voila. All right. Shoelaces. I'm going to put it into this nice netting. And the insoles. Oh my God. Woo. Grab your crap. Let's go to the laundry. Oh my God, I hate this. It's so dark. So, this is the finished result. Check out that sexy non-game royal blue dye on the suede. Oh my God. It's a little too dark. The shoes are nice and sexy. Don't forget to always give back the crap to your customer. Just kidding. Look at the photos right now. Before and after, huge difference. Yeah, you can totally use the light blue suede dye. You don't have to follow me. If you follow me, this is exactly how it's going to look like. Very, very dark blue. You can also mix the blue or any kind of dye colors with Angelus's neutral. I haven't actually tried that myself, but it's supposed to dilute it a little bit, make the color a little bit lighter. Go ahead and play with it. I'm just going to, yeah, you know what? I should put the shoes back into the box with the sand. Yeah, there you go. I don't care, it's my friend. There you go. Yeah. Instagram, sneaker.clinic. Make sure you check out my other projects. This doesn't fit. Come on. At least give me a box that fits. Come on, Michelle. Oh.